Welcome. Today we're diving into how to hide typing notifications for Snapchat directly on your lock screen. If you've ever felt caught off guard by those little typing alerts popping up when you're not even actively using your phone, this quick update is for you. It's a simple process that helps keep your conversations private and your lock screen free of distractions. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is usually represented by a gear icon, so look for that and tap on it. Once you're inside the settings menu, scroll until you find the option labeled Apps. Tap on that. This section lets you control notifications and permissions for all the apps installed on your device. Next, from the list of apps, find Snapchat and tap on it. Snapchat has its own notification settings, which means you can tailor what you see from this app specifically. Once you're inside Snapchat's app info, look for the option that says Notifications and tap there. Within the Notifications menu, you'll see a variety of notification categories. Tap on Notification Categories. This is where Snapchat allows you to control different types of alerts, so you don't receive unwanted notifications. Now, under the Individual Chats category, look for Typing and tap on it. This setting controls those familiar typing notifications that appear when someone is composing a message to you. Here's the crucial part. Tap on Lock Screen, and instead of showing the typing status, choose Hide Content. This means your phone's lock screen will no longer reveal when someone is typing a chat message, keeping that little detail more private. And that's it. You've successfully hidden Snapchat typing notifications on your lock screen. This simple tweak is perfect if you want to maintain privacy or just prefer a cleaner lock screen without constant typing alerts popping up. Feel free to return to these settings anytime if you want to change it back, or customize any other Snapchat notifications. Thanks for watching.